Cold season is here, and you'll need to keep your hands nice and warm while doing all your favorite outdoor activities. So today we'll take a look at WAMTHUS heated electric gloves for men and women, battery-powered gloves to keep your hands nice and warm. So let's take a closer look. You'll get an instruction sheet. The gloves are made of 100% polyester that has non-slip leather and a touchscreen forefinger, and be sure to measure your palm circumference to choose the right size when you order them. The inside of the gloves have a cotton insulation layer, and the battery case is held inside a pocket. The gloves are really comfortable, and even without the electric heating, it seems like they would still keep your hands pretty warm. It's soft and lightweight, with good quality stitching, and the waterproof outer layer will keep your hands warm and dry. There will be links in my description down below for more information on this and where you can get it. You can adjust the wristband to tighten it to your liking. And the gloves require 3 AA batteries to power it on and warm up the gloves. Once you push the button to turn them on, it'll just take a few moments before the gloves begin to warm up. And on a full charge of batteries, it'll keep your gloves heated for about an hour. I would recommend using rechargeable batteries so you can use them over and over. You'll feel the warmth both in your palms and at your fingertips. Just remember to turn it off when you're not using it so that you don't waste the battery power. The quality seems really good and the stitching is well done. The inside of the palms have non-slip leather, and don't forget the touchscreen forefinger, which means that you can use your smartphone while your gloves are on. Here's a little demonstration. The thickness of your fingertip might make it a little difficult to accurately touch specific icons on your phone. Just be aware of that. But it's good to know that it does work with your smartphones, so you should be able to navigate at least some basic functions and controls on your phone with the gloves on. You can also tighten it at the wrist to make it more windproof. And these types of gloves would be ideal for outdoor situations such as skiing, climbing, cycling, making a snowman, or doing general outdoor work. They'll keep your hands warm and comfortable while enjoying your favorite outdoor activities. So if you're looking for something to keep your hands warm and dry this winter while enjoying your favorite outdoor activities, then give WAMTHUS' heated electric gloves a try. For more information on these gloves, you can check the links in the description down below. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you can give a like, share, and subscribe. And thanks again for watching, and until next time.